My name is Christoph Lange. I'm the medical director of the Research Center Borstel in Germany and also professor of respiratory medicine and international health at the University of Lübeck in Germany. I'm the clinical lead of the UNITE4TB consortium. So, according to the last WHO Global Tuberculosis Report, we have the largest number of individuals ever affected by tuberculosis within 1 year during the last reporting period, the year 2023. So never before reported by the WHO there were more individuals affected by TB. And TB is a social disease. So we know that by developing new drugs and new treatment regimens, we will not eliminate tuberculosis in the world. We would need to eliminate poverty and eliminate wars and have more equity. But without having new medicines, the emergence of drug-resistant tuberculosis will make those medicines that we currently have less effective over time. And tuberculosis is a sort of pneumonia in most cases, and those who are affected by pulmonary tuberculosis, the most common clinical manifestation of this disease. But in contrast to a normal community-acquired pneumonia where treatment takes only 5 days, current standard treatment of tuberculosis is 6 months and very often is associated with adverse drug events. So UNITE4TB is aiming at having safer and more effective regimens that can cure tuberculosis in shorter time. Never before in the history of medicine, a clinical trial was performed prospectively and randomized that had 12 different treatment arms and was performed on 4 different continents, bringing together the most important pharmaceutical companies, so-called asset owners, and some of the most important researchers in the world in the area of new drug development. What UNITE4TB has been achieving so far is bringing together these partners from industry and bringing together the partners from academia and establishing a clinical trial platform where all different treatment regimens can be evaluated in parallel is unique in the history of drug development in any disease so far. Yeah, the greatest success is really to set up a clinical trial platform with all these different regimens being evaluated in parallel, to have the industry partners and asset owners to bring in their components and to work really together and not against each other, to have companies that have different ownerships, but working together to bring in their products, to evaluate them together with colleagues from academia in order to provide better treatment regimens for future patients than those that we have today.
So let's end together.